Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about Hostinger coupon codes. So if you go to hostinger.com, there are deals going on right now. As you can see, all of the plans have discounts like 76% on premium, on business it's 73%, cloud startup is 70%, and cloud professional is 63%. So as you can see, if you go to the official hostinger.com page and then claim it before this date, this time limit, you'll get your discounts here as well. Also, for a further 10% discount, I have a coupon code which is grabhost10. So you can get this and use it on single premium business and cloud hosting, and then get 10% off when you use this coupon on the checkout page. So simply use this grabhost10 and you will get a further 10% on top of this already applied 70% discount. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.